Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts for Monopoly Go. So, to create each account, you will need a unique email or phone number. Register each Facebook profile with different addresses to comply with Facebook account policies. Simply navigate to your Facebook application, click on the three-lined icon at the top right of the screen, scroll down and click on Logout. Now, click on Logout again and you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to basically enter a unique email or phone number by clicking on Create New Account button and select Get Started. Now enter your first name, last name and click on Next. After this, choose your birth date, click on Set and Next. After this, choose your gender, click on Next. After this, enter your mobile number or you can also click on Sign Up with Email. Now, in the email list, you'll have to enter your email and click on Next. After this, enter a password and click on Next. After creating your password, you can click on Save Your Login Info, click on I agree, and you'll be successfully logged into your new Facebook account. Now, to avoid overlapping logins, it's best to use separate browser or even different devices for each account. This keeps each Monopoly Go profile organized and easy to manage. As you can see, I'm now logged into my new account. I will click on Skip for adding a new picture. Now as you can see, I'm now logged into my new Facebook account. I will have to now navigate back to Monopoly Go, long press this application, click on this small eye icon and navigate to app info of Monopoly Go. Now, I will click on storage and click on clear cache, then click on clear data and select delete. After I click on delete, all the data from Monopoly Go will be deleted. Now, when I open this application, I'll be successfully able to log into my new Facebook account. So the new Facebook account that I created, now I'll be able to log in with that specific Facebook account. I will select my age and click on I agree. Now I will get Facebook Play with Friends button. I will click here and I'll be able to log in with my Facebook account that I just created. Now I'll click on continue as this person and I'll be successfully able to log into my multiple Facebook accounts, that is the another Facebook account that I just created for Monopoly Go. So that's the simple way to create multiple Facebook accounts for Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.